Look up. Take a moment to let your eyes adjust to the darkness, and let your gaze wander across the vast expanse above. On a clear night, the cosmos puts on its greatest show, revealing a tapestry of stars that stretches farther than the eye can see. Among the countless stars, one figure stands out: Orion, the hunter, bold and unmistakable. His shape is unmistakable, a broad-shouldered figure with a sword at his waist, his form traced by brilliant points of light. Orion is more than a pattern. He's a story written in light, connecting us to our ancient past and the people who gazed up before us. He's one of the most recognizable constellations, visible even in city skies where only a handful of stars break through the glow. For many, he's the first constellation learned, a gateway to the cosmos, sparking curiosity and wonder in young and old alike. The stars that form Orion aren't close neighbors. Their alignment is a beautiful accident of perspective, scattered across hundreds of light years. This cosmic arrangement has inspired myths, guided travelers across deserts and seas, and sparked scientific curiosity for generations. Let's journey through Orion's brilliant stars, explore his stellar nurseries, and uncover the ancient myths he inspired across cultures. The story of Orion is the story of the universe itself: birth, life, and the spectacular death of stars, all unfolding in the hunter's domain. All you have to do is step outside, look up, and let the hunter guide you. The universe is waiting, ready to share its secrets with those who seek them. To find Orion, you need to know when and where to look. The night sky is vast, but Orion stands out with his distinctive belt of 3 bright stars, making him one of the easiest constellations to spot for both beginners and seasoned stargazers. He appears in the evening sky during winter in the northern hemisphere, and in summer for the southern hemisphere, though upside down. This seasonal shift means Orion is a familiar sight to people all over the world, just at different times of year and from different perspectives. Orion's position on the celestial equator makes him visible from almost everywhere on Earth. Whether you're in a bustling city or a remote countryside, Orion's stars shine through, bridging continents and cultures. He's a global constellation, a shared spectacle for humanity. Across generations and civilizations, people have looked up and found inspiration in Orion's form. Orion is surrounded by a cosmic neighborhood. His hunting dogs, Canis Major and Canis Minor, with Sirius and Procyon shining nearby. These stars and constellations form a celestial family, each with their own stories and legends. Below his feet winds Eridanus, the celestial river. This faint, meandering constellation stretches across the sky, adding depth and mystery to Orion's domain. Ancient cultures saw these patterns and wove them into their stories. The sky was their storybook and guide. Orion became a symbol in myths, navigation, and calendars, shaping how people understood their world. Finding Orion and his neighbors connects you to a tradition as old as humanity itself. Each time you look up, you join a lineage of sky watchers stretching back thousands of years. You're seeing the same patterns as ancient astronomers, a direct link to our ancestors. Their curiosity and wonder echo in every gaze skyward. Next time you're under a dark sky, find the hunter, then let your eyes drift to Sirius and the winding river of Eridanus. Let your imagination wander just as countless others have before you. You're not just looking at stars, you're finding your place in the cosmos. The night sky becomes a map, and Orion is your guide. Orion is your "you are here" sign on the map of the universe, a cosmic landmark that orients you in the vastness of space. From there, the cosmos opens up, inviting you to explore. Each star and constellation is a doorway to discovery, waiting for you to step through. At the heart of Orion's shape is his most famous feature, Orion's belt. This straight line of 3 bright stars, Alnitak, Alnilam, and Mintaka, is almost impossible to miss. Though they appear close, they're actually separated by vast distances. The belt is a celestial signpost. Follow it down to Sirius or up to Aldebaran in Taurus. For thousands of years, people used this simple line to navigate across land and sea. Orion's belt is a symbol of guidance and order in the night sky. When you look at it, you're seeing one of the most enduring patterns in human history. The three sisters are always there, waiting to point the way. Now, look to Orion's right shoulder. There glows Betelgeuse, a fiery orange-red star that has fascinated astronomers and stargazers for centuries. Its distinct color makes it stand out in the winter sky, drawing the eye to one of the most recognizable constellations. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant, a colossal star nearing the end of its life. Its surface boils with turbulent energy, and its immense size dwarfs most other stars we can see. If placed at our sun's center, Betelgeuse would engulf Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, its outer layers stretching far beyond the orbit of Mars, making our solar system seem tiny by comparison. Betelgeuse is old and unstable, its brightness varying as it swells and contracts. These changes are visible even to the naked eye over months, a reminder of the star's restless nature. Recently, it dimmed dramatically, sparking excitement and speculation. Was it about to go supernova? Astronomers around the world watched closely, eager for clues. A supernova would outshine the full moon for weeks, visible even in daylight. Such an event would be one of the most spectacular sights ever witnessed by humanity. Betelgeuse is about 650 light-years away, so we're safe from any direct effects. Its distance ensures we can observe its fate without fear. But near the end, in cosmic terms, could mean tomorrow, or it could mean 100,000 years from now. The universe moves on a timescale far beyond our own. Every time you see Betelgeuse, you're witnessing a star's final act, a rare glimpse into the last stages of a giant's life. Its reddish glow is a sign of age, a stark contrast to the blue-white stars nearby, which are much younger and hotter. Betelgeuse reminds us the universe is dynamic. Stars are born, live, and die in spectacular fashion, shaping the cosmos with each stage of their existence. It's our front-row seat to the creative destruction that seeds the cosmos with new elements, forging the building blocks for planets, life, and future stars. The next time you spot Betelgeuse, remember, you're watching a cosmic time bomb, a star poised for a dramatic finale that will echo across the galaxy. The universe's drama is unfolding before your eyes, inviting us to marvel at the wonders and mysteries of the night sky. If Betelgeuse is Orion's old fiery shoulder, his left foot is Rigel, a beacon of youthful, brilliant energy. Rigel is a blue supergiant, one of the most luminous stars in our region of the Milky Way. Its blue-white light is a stark contrast to Betelgeuse's red glow. Rigel is about 860 light-years away, yet shines incredibly bright, over 120,000 times more luminous than our sun. Its intense blue color signals a surface temperature twice as hot as the sun's. Blue stars like Rigel burn their fuel quickly, living fast and dying young. Rigel's fate is the same as Betelgeuse, a spectacular supernova. When you look at Orion, you see two supergiants at different stages, both destined for explosive ends. The Hunter is a stage for the grand drama of stellar evolution. Rigel is the brilliant, hot-headed youth, burning bright, but not for long. Orion's stars remind us, even giants are fleeting. The stars of Orion are just the surface of a deeper story. Hidden within is the Orion Molecular Cloud Complex, a vast stellar nursery. This colossal cloud of gas and dust stretches for hundreds of light-years, forming new stars and planets. Gravity pulls clumps together, igniting nuclear fusion and birthing new stars. The bright stars of Orion's belt and sword are children of this cloud, born just a few million years ago. Their energy sculpts the cloud, triggering new generations of stars. When you gaze at Orion, you're seeing the nearest massive star-forming region to Earth. The dust and gas here are the raw materials that formed our sun, our Earth, and us. Within Orion's cloud, newborn stars sculpt the gas and dust into breathtaking shapes. The most famous is the Orion Nebula, hanging from Orion's belt as the middle star of his sword. Through a telescope, it's a glowing cauldron of creation, our closest massive star-forming region. At its heart, the trapezium cluster powers the nebula, its radiation making the gas glow. Here, astronomers have seen protoplanetary disks, planets in the making. Nearby, the Horsehead Nebula is a dark cloud silhouetted against glowing hydrogen, a cosmic seahorse. The Orion and Horsehead nebulae show two faces of a stellar nursery, one bright and chaotic, the other dark and full of potential. Looking at them is like seeing a cosmic before and after. They reveal the dynamic, artistic nature of our universe. Long before science, people looked at Orion and saw a story. In Greek myth, Orion was a giant hunter, killed by a scorpion sent by Gaia. The gods placed Orion and Scorpius on opposite sides of the sky, forever in pursuit, never meeting. As Scorpius rises, Orion sets, a celestial chase. Orion's hunt continues with his dogs, Canis Major and Canis Minor, chasing Lepus the hare below his feet. These myths were our first attempts to make sense of the cosmos, connecting the heavens to human experience. Sharing Orion's story is an ancient tradition, finding ourselves in the stars. Our quest for knowledge and love of stories are two sides of the same coin. Why does Orion still captivate us after thousands of years? He's more than bright stars. He's a cosmic package for everyone. Dreamers, navigators, scientists. Orion is a mythic hero, a guide, and a laboratory of cosmic wonders. His belt is a celestial compass. His stars are windows into stellar birth and death. Orion connects us to our past and points to our future. The light from his stars began its journey before our greatest empires rose and fell. Within his boundaries, new solar systems are forming, potential homes for life. Orion is a bridge between ancient history and cosmic destiny. He reminds us we're part of a dynamic, ongoing story. The hunter is always there, a silent invitation to explore and be inspired by the cosmos. All you have to do is answer the call.